Hello friends, this is Nurul Anwar Masood. Welcome to Namura Apexify. Today I'm gonna show you how to install Oracle Apex 21.1 on Oracle Linux Server 8.4. So let's start. First of all, we have to download the software. We can download it from Oracle Apex official website. Go to the browser and click on the link. Here are some options. First one, this one for all languages. If you want to install for all languages, you can download it and install it. I want to download English language only. Click on the link. Save it. Okay friends, I have already downloaded the software, that's why I do not want to download it now. I'm going to cancel it. Back to our WinSCP. Here you see our Apex 20.1 for English language zip file is here. We can easily transfer it by the help of WinSCP. So I can transfer it to our Linux machine. Okay, now I'm going to connect PuTTY with our Linux machine. Double click on Oracle Linux 8.4. I can log in as Oracle, password okay. I should check the directory pwd. We can browse the drive by the help of WinSCP. Root u01. You see here a folder app. Dear friends, in our Oracle Apex 20.1 zip file, the whole files in a folder named Apex. That's why I do not want to create any directory. So I'm gonna just unzip the software here. CD as I'm going to put my software on U01. That's why I have to go U01. So list, I'm here. Okay, now I can unzip. Oracle downloads Apex. Press enter. Okay, let's refresh. See my Apex software unzip on this folder. Okay, fine. Yes. See. Now I'm going to what I call Apex folder. CD. Now check it. CD Apex. You see all the file and folder here. Now I'm going to start my SQL Plus. This is DBA. Okay, check container database. Now I'm going to change the uh, container database. Alter container. Okay, let's check again. Now I'm going to create a table space. Create I can name it Apex data file. I can copy the destination of data file. Here my data file. Let's say PDB. Back to the putty and okay, I can name it apex01 dot db file. Okay, then size will be 100 M. Auto extends on next 1 MB. Enter the press. I have created table space. Let's check it. You see, here is our data file. Now I can install my Apex software. Okay, let's start. Ampersand Apex INS table space name Apex temp enterprise. Dear friends, you know it will take 5 to 10 minutes to install, depends on your PC configuration. So I'm gonna pause it Okay friends, my first steps is complete. Now I have to set my admin and password. Our command is apx passw sql. Press enter. Oh sorry. Okay, I can check it. Root x apex pass. Okay, this command @apx ch pwt dot sql. I leave the default admin and email default and password. Okay, now I'm going to run the command for web service. Okay, apex underscore rest config.sql and press enter. I have to give apex listener password. And also apex rest public user password. Okay friends, I have successfully installed Oracle Apex 20.1 on Linux server, Oracle Linux server 8.4. So friends, thank you for watching the video. If you get any problem, ask me in the comment section, and if you do not subscribe my channel, please subscribe the channel and don't forget to tie up my Facebook page. Thank you.